There are so many videos out there that tell you about online jobs and where to find the listings, but not many of them cover how to actually secure these jobs. Finding the jobs online is a basic thing that virtually anybody can do, but how do you stand out and get that dream job as soon as possible? That's what I'll be covering in this video. I'll try to keep it nice and sweet, so you'll be learning all this in just a few minutes. So I'll be covering the steps you need to secure these jobs online, and I also have a special tip that I have saved for last, so you would want to watch that to see what you'll do to stand out and miss the crowd, because everybody wants to work online these days. So make sure to watch up until the end. And I'm not just saying, this is something I've done quite a number of times, and I have truly lost count of how many online jobs I have gotten. I'll be leaving the receipts on the screen so you can see and know for sure that these methods work. And yes, you can achieve this within just 2 weeks. The most obvious thing is to first of all find the job listings, and there are 2 ways to go about this. The first one is to check relevant websites, and by relevant, what I simply mean is don't just go to generic job boards. You need to specifically look for virtual job websites that display jobs meant for remote work. This will save you a lot of time. The second avenue is to use job agencies. I'll be putting their names and logos on the screen so you know where to go. These remote job agencies do all the legwork for you. Some of them offer their services for free, so take advantage of that. They can help you find suitable jobs. So the second thing I will do is to check company websites. So after you find these jobs through remote job listings websites, the next thing you need to do is to check the company's website to see if the jobs are still active, because some of these remote job boards will not tell you the expiration dates of the job, and you'll just waste your time applying to these places that have already closed. So for example, if you see a job opening at Coca-Cola, for example, head over to Coca-Cola website and confirm that these jobs are still active. All you need to do is go to the careers page and you'll see their job listings, so you'll see whether or not they're still active. So the next point is to target less popular companies. I think this should have come in second actually, but here it is. So when browsing job listings on remote job sites, I highly recommend that you target less popular companies. I know it's tempting to work for big names like Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Apple, and the rest, but if you're just starting out as an entry-level online job seeker, I would highly recommend that you go for less popular companies because it's less saturated, they get less applications, so you stand a higher chance of getting that job. Before I continue, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're getting value so far. So the next thing is to network on LinkedIn. Now, while you're still on the job websites of these companies, just take the time to go through their HR or recruitment team. Then you go to LinkedIn and pitch to them. Just find them on LinkedIn and pitch to them. You can send them a message introducing yourself and your interest in the position. I could actually cover pitching in another video. If you want me to do that, just let me know in the comments. This step is so effective and I have done it a number of times and it works like magic. And that extra thing I want to tell you about is that before you go to LinkedIn, just find something that isn't going so well on their website, or maybe if you see what people are saying about their product or service that isn't so nice, you can create a constructive criticism about this and state this while you're pitching to them. Just say it in your pitch somewhere there. They will often be curious to know what this is about and also highlight what you can do to make their service or product better. They'll be really curious and would at least reach out to you. Then it's up to you next to prepare for your interview. I can actually groom you on how to go about your interview and all that. So if you would want a one-on-one session with me on how to find these job listings, how to secure the interviews, and how to stand out while in your interview, you can have a one-on-one session with me and I'll give you a tailored step-by-step tutorial on how to actually find and secure these online jobs easily and fast. So the next step I will tell you is to be as consistent as possible. If it means doing this at least 5 to 10 times a day, there is no way that at least 10% of these applications will not lead to an interview if you keep at it. Whether it's applying to 5 different places in a day or reaching out to professionals on LinkedIn, just do this as often as possible and you will definitely land that dream job. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe and share it with anyone who could benefit from this information. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to learn about more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.